Okay, now as you can see, our door and windows has been completed. Make now we will make some text to be written here for marking purposes, like this is our kitchen, this is our bedroom, like this. To do that, what we will do, first make a layer called text, change the color. We will take this color, make that layer current. Now we will use multi-line text, so select multi-line text. Yes, okay. So first we will write here, this is going to be our kitchen. Yes, so give a size. We suppose we want like 10 inches height, so it will show like this, but as you can see, not as big as like that. So let's make it a little smaller. Let's make it 7 inches. And now this is our kitchen and dining. As you can see, so you can make this size larger like this, so that it could fit in one line. And now in next line, I don't know what happened, why it is like that. Okay, now it is good. I think size is 19 feet space 9 inches space 10 feet space 0 inches. Okay, so what we will do, we will make this paragraph looks good. Now move this in proper positions like this. Okay, so it is our kitchen and dining. Now this is going to bedroom. So what we will do, we will edit this text again and again. We will not making again that same command from multi-line text. We will take these things and copy and put here. Also we'll be putting here. So as you can see, our as ortho is on, we cannot move beyond straight line. So choose ortho up and put in here. Also here, here, and here. Okay, we will do that later. First I did this. This is going to be our master bedroom. So bedroom size is 13 feet 0 inches by 11 feet 0 inches. Okay, we will measure this, that we have written correctly. Yes, this is 13 feet and this is our 11 feet, as you can see. Now this is going to be our next bedroom, which is bedroom, and size is 12 feet, 0 inches, 11 feet 9 inches. Okay, so now this is going to be our living area. So living size is 12 feet 10 inches by 9 feet 7 inches. Okay. So next is bathroom size is 10 feet 10 inches by 5 feet 5 inches, and this is going to be our driving not garage. So car garage, that is 10 feet 10 inches, sorry, that is 15 feet 0 inches by 10 feet 10 inches. Actually this looks bad, so we'll make this little compact. As you can see, so we'll edit these things also. The spacing doesn't look good actually. So this is our remaining tape. Actually this is going to bathroom, so copy this bathroom text and paste it like this, and our size is 7 feet 5 inches by 4 feet 5 inches. We'll make this text little size like 5 inches. Okay, now our text layer has been completed. Now we will give dimensions in our drawing. So to do that, take dimensions from here. Suppose we want dimension from here to here, like this, and also we will need a dimension in this section. So take this point, and like this. Also we will mention this area or open veranda, that is this point to this point, and we will put this in our dimension. Okay, now we have to make another layer called dimensions. Sort, we said we use this thing as a sort. Take any color like this and select those dimensions. Put this in dimension layer like this. Okay, now it is completed.